Hello students, in last lecture we have learned some basic construction. These constructions we have already seen in previous standards. Using these basic constructions, now we are going to see some new constructions. First construction is construction of similar triangle. See example, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.4 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.2 centimeter, AC is equal to 6.0 centimeter. AB is to PQ ratio is 3:2. Means if side AB is 3, then side PQ is 2. That is, the ratio of corresponding sides in similar triangle is 3:2. Means side AB or sides of triangle ABC are greater or larger than sides of triangle PQR. Construct triangle ABC and triangle PQR. First, we will draw rough figure. For rough figure, there is no need to measure the lengths of sides, but lengths of sides should be in near about and in proportion. See here, first side AB is given. We will draw side AB of any length. Then side BC is of 4.2 centimeter. See, and side AC is given as 6 centimeter. This will be point C. Then the sides of triangle PQR are of small length from side of triangle ABC. We will draw first corresponding side PQ of AB. Then QR and PR. It is rough figure. Now we have given that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Why? Corresponding sides of similar triangle are in proportion, but this proportion is given as 3/2 is equal to AC upon PR is equal to 3/2. Then in our example, side AB is given as 5.4 centimeter, BC 4.2 centimeter, AC 6.0 centimeter and is equal to 3/2. If we compare these ratios with 3/2, then we will get the value of PQ, QR and PR. Therefore, if we take the ratio 5.4 upon PQ, is equal to 3 upon 2, then PQ is equal to 5.4 into 2 upon 3, means PQ is equal to, here 1.8 into 2, that is 3.6 centimeter side PQ. Then if we consider second ratio, 4.2 upon QR is equal to 3 upon 2, therefore QR is equal to 4.2 into 2 upon 3. Therefore QR is equal to, here 14 3s are 44, means 1.4 into 2, that is 2.8 centimeter. Then last ratio we have to take 6.0 upon PR is equal to 3 upon 2. Therefore PR is equal to 6.0 or 6 into 2 upon 3. Therefore PR is equal to 4 centimeter or 4.0 centimeter. It is third side of triangle PQR. Now we have known all three sides of triangle PQR, all three sides of triangle ABC. Therefore we can draw these triangles. First we will draw triangle ABC. Side AB is 5.4 centimeter here. Now we have to measure the length and to draw 5.4 centimeter. AB 5.4 centimeter. Now side BC is 4.2 centimeter. We have to take length 4.2 on compass. See here how to take the length in the two ends of compass, 4.2 centimeter. From point B, draw the arc of length 4.2 centimeter in this empty area. Now side AC is 6.0, that is 6. We will take 6 centimeter distance in the two ends of compass. See here, this is 6 centimeter distance. From A, draw intersecting arc to this first arc. First arc was at a distance 4.2 centimeter. Therefore it is our point C. If we join this point C with point B, this is side BC. Again this is side AC. Side BC is 4.2 centimeter and side AC is 6.0 centimeter. This is our first triangle, triangle ABC. Then we have to draw second triangle, triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, PQ is 3.6 centimeter. See here, side PQ 3.6. This is distance 3.6 centimeter. Side PQ. Then next side QR is 2.8 centimeter. We have to take 2.8 distance in two ends of compass, 2.6. Then next side PR, 4 centimeter distance. It is point R. Now joint point R with point P and Q. It is triangle PQR. QR 2.8 centimeter and PR 4.0 centimeter. This is our second triangle, triangle PQR. Here we use the property of similar triangles, that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion, and this proportion in this example was 3:2, and the sides of triangle ABC was given. Sides of triangle PQR, we have calculated the lengths of side PQ, side QR and side PR, and then construct both triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now we will take second example. Example are constructions in which one point is common in these two triangles. If one point is common, then how to construct them? We will see again one example in which there is no common point between two triangles. Here triangle RST similar triangle XYZ. Two triangles are given, RST and XYZ. In triangle RST, RS is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle RST is equal to 40 degree, and ST is equal to 5.7 centimeter. That is, here two sides and the angle between them is given. Construct triangle RST and triangle XYZ such that RS upon XY means ratio of corresponding sides is 3/5. First we will draw rough figure. Here triangle RST, in triangle RST, ST is 5.7, ST 5.7 centimeter. Then angle RST is 40 degree. Angle RST, we can take it as a random, or if we use here protractor, then also we can draw angle 40 degree. 40 degree angle means we have to draw length or ray through this point and point S. Then RS is 4.5. Suppose this distance RS is 5 centimeter, then if we draw this segment RT, then it will be triangle RST. This angle is 40 degree. Then the sides of triangle XYZ are larger than the sides of triangle RST because the ratio is 3:5. Therefore, in rough figure also we have to draw the sides of triangle XYZ larger. Suppose this is side YZ, then angle Y will be corresponding angle and it is of same measure 40 degree angle. Then take any point Z and this will be triangle XYZ. This is 40 degree angle. It is rough figure. Now we will see original construction. For that, here triangle RST, similar triangle XYZ, it is given here. Therefore, RS upon XY is equal to ST upon YZ is equal to RT upon XZ, and angle RST congruent angle XYZ is equal to 40 degree corresponding angles of similar triangle. We have given the sides as RS 4.5 centimeter upon XY is equal to ST 5.7 centimeter upon YZ. Then RT and XZ, there is no need because two sides and angle between them means one angle is sufficient to draw triangle, and this ratio is given as 3/5. It is also given. Therefore, 4.5 upon XY is equal to 3/5. Therefore, XY is equal to 4.5 into 5 upon 3. Therefore, XY is equal to, this ratio will be 1.5, 15 into 5, that is 7.5 centimeter XY. Then second ratio 5.7 upon YZ is equal to 3/5. Therefore, YZ is equal to 5.7 into 5 upon 3. Therefore, YZ is equal to, here division of 5.7 upon 3 is 1.9. Therefore, YZ is equal to 9.5 centimeter. In this way, for triangle XYZ, there are also we have two sides XY and YZ, and angle between them, that is angle XYZ 40 degree. Now we will draw figures. For triangle RST, we will draw first ST. Length of side ST is given as 5.7 centimeter. 5.5, 6 and 7. centimeter. Then angle S is given as 40 degree. Angle RST, see here, this baseline of protractor should be overlap on this side ST. The center of or central point should be on point S. Then here is 40 degree angle. Therefore we have to draw line passing through point S and this point showing 40 degree measure. Then RS is 4.5 centimeter. We'll take 4.5 centimeter distance. 4.5 centimeter. From S, draw arc at a distance 4.5 centimeter. It is point R. If we joined point R with point T, then it is our triangle RST. Two sides RS and ST, and the angle between them is 40 degree. Now we will draw second triangle, that is triangle XYZ, in which YZ is 9.5 centimeter. See here, 9.5 centimeter distance. We have to take 9.5 distance, 9.5 centimeter. See here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5. This is segment YZ. (9.5 centimeter). Angle Y 40 degree. Draw a ray through Y of 40 degree measure. Then ray XY is 7.5 centimeter. We will take distance 7.5 in compass. 7.5 distance, 7.5 centimeter. It is 7.5 centimeter. Draw arc at a distance 7.5 centimeter from Y. Give name X to this point. Then joined XZ. It is triangle XYZ, similar to triangle RST. In this way, we have construct here two examples, two similar triangles. In these examples, the triangles where in the triangles there were no common point between two triangles. In next lecture, we will construct the similar triangles in which there is one point common between two similar triangles. Thank you.